Hey y'all, today we is over here in Roses looking around trying to see what we can find over here, see what they got on sale or whatever, see what they got. So if y'all want to shop and look around, y'all come on and stick around with your girl. Y'all make sure y'all just ring that doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button for me. If you don't mind, I'll sure appreciate it. Y'all, let's get into this video. I'm over here looking at these flowers that they got. I like these big ones here. The big white ones, off-white ones. Those cute. How much these is? I don't know how much the flowers. Then I saw these here. I like those too. These $7.99. That'll look nice. Added to the vase on my sink, on my counter, but I wonder how much the flowers is, because I need to add a few of those on the sink. These $1 for these flowers. Yeah, these $1. I wonder if these $1. I doubt it though, because they got more stems on them. I doubt they're $1. Yeah. Those green. I wonder how much. I'm gonna ask this man how much these is. I know they ain't no $1 though. Ooh, I'm about to knock stuff over. I don't want to knock it down. This man putting this stuff out here. Let's see. They putting a crisp. Oh, it's so blurry. I'm over here running over everything, y'all. And get down here to the houseware department. I want to find some rugs, curtains, and rugs, curtains, and maybe like some pictures or something. And see what the towels and stuff looking like. But yeah, Rosa's got all kind of stuff in here, y'all. Got some rugs right there. Let me go to the bathroom. Alright, so they got a black rug right here that I was looking at for $5.99. But I'm thinking I want 2 rugs instead of 1 rug. I think I want 2 rugs. It may look better with 2 rugs. It may look better with 2 rugs than 1. So we're gonna skip out on that one. And we're gonna come on over here and see down here in the bathroom section what kind of rugs that they got. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, that's kitchen. This is bathroom. Alright, so let's see. They got these here for $5.99. This one here, if it's a short one, it's kind of on the long side. So they got these rugs here, but I don't want those because I know they're going to collect lint. And I'm trying to think if I should go with a tan. I think I prefer a black to go with it. I just went back to watch the video of what I just chose, and I think black will look better with it. But I just can't find the ones that I want. And I may have to try Walmart. I may have to try Walmart. I hate to have to say that because Walmart be kind of pricey on theirs. Or I just check back in here another day and get black. But they don't have to want to go around the toilet either in black here. If I'm gonna spend $5.99, I'd rather get the other rug over there, the more flat rug, than the furry, fuzzy one. Yeah. See what they got down here. They got what, the flat ones. Yep, this is another flat black here. I need a well, the long black is what I was trying to say. I think I need a contour one. I want to go around the toilet. Okay, so here's the curtains and stuff. See what kind of curtains I can find to go in there. Gotta bear with me, y'all. See what they got over here. I know I need grommet curtain. They got a gray grommet there. I need a, let me see, probably like a tan grommet. $9.99. I like this one right here. But I know, but I wanted the grommet kind. No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one either. The one to go around the toilet.
I ain't got. That's what I just showed you, right?
What? The one that circle around the toilet. Where is that? No, not that one.
I ain't got it.
You know what I'm talking about?
Just like this one.
Oh yeah, like that. I thought you was pointing to that pattern. Alright, I'm gonna have to wait till I find something. Got something down here. Whatever this is. See what they got down here. Oh, they got little stuff right here. Ooh, they got some pretty stuff out here. You know, you gotta get that stuff time they put it out, child. What they got over here? They got a 5-piece that's $15.99, $12.99. What this is? $5.99. $5.99. That can go in my bathroom. And then what else they got right here? $14.99. That's one $15.99 there. $2.99 for those right there. Section I'm talking about. Okay. Let's see what they got down here. Gather here with Grateful Hearts. Happy Home. Okay. Let's see what else they got around here. They got nothing but picture frames over here. Oh, there go the vases. There go the vases, y'all. How much is this vase? Oh, this would be so pretty at my door right here. And I was looking for some $17.99 for that vase. Dang, $17.99. I found these little gold for $2.99. My vase is to go at the front door, right there where the mirror at. Well, ain't nothing at when you first walk in. Yeah.
You just bought a vase.
I ain't bought no vase.
That black with that burger.
That's for the bathroom. I need those for the up there at the front door.
Yo. Chris.
Okay, so got that. Let's see. I don't know if I need one more thing to go in the middle or what. But Let's see. I don't want to mix those. I like those two right there by themselves. Huh? If you want to. It's up to you, baby. Honey boo boo. What you gonna do for your boo? I don't know what pattern I want to mix with those two flowers. These here $2.99, $2.29 for these right here. I need something. I'm decorating, honey. That's what happens when we get to decorating. When us women get to decorating, we get to getting all that stuff.
I don't spend money on clothes. You spend money on house. They don't have no company. We gonna have company in the winter because folk gonna be in my house in the winter.
Well, at least my stuff won't be given away. My stuff will still be in the house.
So I bless somebody. What I want to buy, they should be blessed.
That's okay. I ain't mad at you about that. But what I'm I ain't say all that. I said that I'm gonna still be able to see my stuff. You just be getting your stuff away.
I do too.
You buy stuff to give away.
I asked them people when we go live again, is it right for me to buy something?
And no, I know you can give it away, but what I'm saying is,
right. Let me ask y'all a question. What is so wrong with a person like me that's blessed to wear an outfit one time and give it to somebody else?
I know, but see, what I'm telling you is that what I spend my money on is we have it for a while.
I do too.
So you just for the time being, I'm for long term. I ain't talking about being a blessing to people. That's two different things.
I do too. Huh?
You just trying to make it sound good. That's all that is.
It is good to bless somebody else.
I know it's good to bless people, but I'm not talking about that.
I knew I should have bought them Kevin Durant. Huh? What you gonna do now?
How much this picture? Those two flowers next to it. How much this picture?
$9.99.
You see it?
Right in front of you. Look in front of you.
Where? Oh, $9.99. Okay. I'm trying to think if I want to put this on the wall with that like that. I might get that lady right there. I might get this here, y'all.
Get these.
To go in my bathroom. Why?
You keep getting all this stuff.
I'm done.
Yeah. Still adding shit.
I'm done.
You already have more money than me.
I'm done, honey.
I gotta go pick up a pad.
You don't say nothing when you be over there adding your stuff up.
What? I don't take as long as you.
Taking long ain't got nothing to do
I'm
with
in and out the door. You still in the stove. Talking about your feet hurt. Feet can't hurt really over here.
my feet do hurt though, babe.
Come on, shit. I got a fucking headache out of this world trying to get my head on something in my system.
Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I ain't smoking no dope all day.
You get my thing right here? You get my things?
No, I ain't getting both of these. What's wrong with you? You get one, I get one. What you gonna do now?
Come on. I still need my rugs.
Hey, ain't nobody standing up.
Oh, here go the bathroom rugs right here. Do they got the black ones here? Hold on, let me see if they got the black
Bro,
ones.
please come on.
I am, baby. I promise.
Bro,
I'm on the.
shopping by yourself.
I'm on the way out the door.
Nigga like me, I'm already out the store. I beat you out of skeleton. You
They
still
still. I still don't see no black ones. They ain't got no.
I went to dealers and beat you still when you would have been and I left you in Birmingham.
Well, that's what happens when you shop with women, babe.
I don't know. That's why men don't go shopping with women.
Babe, you ain't got to make it seem like it's that bad.
It is that bad.
It ain't that bad.
It is.
I'm not that.
I go to the doctor. I'm off all day. Ask me when I sat down.
Who problem that is? You the one said that you want to get out shopping.
I don't
now-
got what I needed. I would have been home.
You think those two?
As soon as I left raw. I mean, I'm leaving these. You don't know.
I was finna say, do you think they too short?
Come on.
Or no? Go and get the plates. You need them.
$42 or $48. I don't need that.
$2.99. Last time I.
Walmart 100 something.
You right, and they're a little better than those. My toes hurt now.
They can't. I don't even want to hear
Ooh,
that.
baby, these toes, baby. And I ain't put no socks on either. Alright, y'all, so this is it for Rose's vlog. For our, you call it chaos, we call it family. Look at that right there. Need one of those signs right there. We need one of those.
Why you got all these fucking signs?
Yeah, we need that. Y'all call us chaos, we call it family. Anyhow, I love y'all. Peace, love, many blessings to each and every one of y'all. Till the next one, this your girl Tiana. Tiana gonna be me. Y'all be blessed. I'll see y'all later.